Hello everyone, this is my review of the Hubro Extra Long Sofa console table, which has been a really smart addition to my entryway living room. The table is about 31.5 inches tall, so it's a nice height to put stuff on without bending over. I especially like its charging station, built-in USB and power features. It lets me drop my phone, tablet, or keys, plug in, and not worry about cords trailing across the room. That little convenience adds up. The design is nice, 2 tiers of storage shelves under the tabletop. I can put decorative items or storage baskets on the lower shelf, which helps keep the top clean and organized. It's skinny enough to put behind a sofa or along a wall without eating up a lot of floor space. The assembly was pretty straightforward if you followed the instructions. Though it's not premium hardwood, the materials feel solid enough: wood composite, plus metal frame, so treat it gently. Also, make sure to tighten all the screws so it stands stable. Overall, it balances style and function. If you want a place to charge your gadgets, store a few things, and have a lovely accent table without overwhelming your space, this Hubro console is a solid pick. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.